years older, bro. I think I'm just gonna delete this whole thing and redo it. I'll suppress it. Let's take this sketch, bring it over here. Okay. Then I gotta cut out the middle, right? So it doesn't waste a bunch of time printing plastic in the middle that it doesn't necessarily need to.
Primax Live. Brew, nope, I want to, but my friends brought it back, so yeah, no choice but having fun. J Freeze 191 RTL 80. Work's been busy working at my job for a year and a half. Some days it's busy and some days aren't.